When you post to Instagram, you want to make sure that you are providing value to your customers rather than just selling a product. You want people to want to follow you. So it's important to consider your overall theme and goals for your store. What is it that you want to provide to your customers? Is it beauty, education, inspiration, laughs, ideas, etc.? It's important to consider this when you start to plan how you post on Instagram. So for today's video, I'm just gonna provide you guys with a couple quick tips to help you increase your engagement on Instagram, help you provide value for your customers, and make sure you're not making any mistakes as you're posting. Tip number 1, have a consistent brand personality and stick to it. If it's sell, sell, sell all the time, or if your feed is bland and inconsistent, it can be very hard to build a following. Tip number 2, genuine interaction is essential. Having a large following does not always equal massive sales. If you have 10,000 followers, but you only get about 50 likes per post, clearly something is off. It's better to have 1,000 true followers who actually engage with your post and purchase your products than 10,000 or 50,000 followers who either don't engage with you at all, or maybe they do engage and like your post, but they never purchase your products. Tip number 3, ask your audience questions. Take the time to get to know them. Be interested in who they are and encourage them to engage with your post. And then take the time to engage back. Make sure you comment on every single comment that you receive. Make sure you respond to every comment you receive. This way, it also helps you to understand who your target audience is and then interact with your target audience and build that relationship. Tip number 4, if you're going to use hashtags, be smart about it. Make sure that you don't use hashtags that have been banned at one point or are considered spammy. Even the hashtag adulting has been banned at one point and is considered spammy. So what you want to do is make sure that you're using hashtags that have less than 500,000 posts. You also want to make sure you're mixing up your hashtags. You don't want to use the same set of hashtags on every single post. So take the time to research what hashtags make the most sense for you and your brand. It helps to use very niche hashtags that don't have a ton of posts. And the last tip is to avoid using stock photos. What you want to do is take more lifestyle photos. So you can take pictures of your target audience, your models, your girls, wearing your products in more of a lifestyle setting. It really helps to sell a brand when you use more lifestyle photos. So don't use the stock photos on social media that you can take from the wholesaler's website. You want to be taking your own photos and make sure you're building a brand, showing your brand personality when you take your photos. Make sure you kind of have a consistent feel and look to your photos, but make it look fun. Have fun with your photo shoots. Do something that is very on brand with you and fits your personality. So don't focus on the numbers and don't get discouraged. Building a brand and building a following takes time. And like I've said, it's a lot better to build 1,000 true followers who actually purchase your products than to have 10,000 or more followers that don't actually want to buy from you and they don't engage with your brand. So don't get discouraged, just keep going, be consistent, make the effort every single day, every week, and slowly but surely you will build your brand, build your following, and make those sales. So go ahead, let me know if you guys have any questions about any of these tips or anything in general. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys next time.